Okay, good evening to all of you. Hope you all submitted the assignment, right? Okay, so today we are going to discuss some new concept, right? Yeah. So for that, I am giving some set, okay? I am defining I is equal to some set I is equal to boy and girl, okay? This set contains two elements, boy comma girl, okay? Now from this set, I am constructing a other sets. Okay, I'll take, for example, x belongs to I. Okay, then what is the possibilities for x? X has two possibilities. It can be boy or it can be girl, right? There are only two elements in this set, boy or a girl. So x belongs to I, then x is equal to boy or x equal to girl, right? Now I'm constructing a set. So one set AX, okay, AX equal to, so it is defined like this, x belongs to, so okay, y belongs to or t belongs to G3 such that t is x, okay, t is x, okay, x is a boy, then t is a boy, okay. So I'll write t is a x, okay, t is a x, okay, t is a boy, t is a girl, okay. What is a t boy? A boy. A boy is equal to x belong to G3 such that, so okay, T I'll write here. T belong to G3, so T is a boy. Okay. Okay. So is it empty set or non-empty? Okay, that you need to understand. What is T of girl? What is a girl? Okay. Yeah. Can you, if you are ready, what I told, can you tick yes? I'll discuss with you. Be quick. Okay, Sandeep from room number 9. Sandeep, आप
यस
बताओ,
सर।
आपको क्या लग रहा है कि ये गर्ल क्या है? ये गर्ल का डेफिनेशन क्या हो सकता है?
सर टी इज बिलोंग G3
हाँ, सच दैट करेक्ट.
सच दैट टी इज गर्ल।
टी इज ए गर्ल. ओके, या
यस
करेक्ट.
सर।
ठीक. ठीक बताया था. इस सेट में क्या होगा? इस सेट में क्या होता है? एलिमेंट्स क्या होता है?
सर जो टी है वो G3 से बिलोंग कर रहा है, ये उसमें गर्ल और बॉय दोनों हो सकते हैं सर।
लेकिन यहाँ जी गर्ल का, ये गर्ल इज ए सेट, राइट? ये
यस
गर्ल
सर।
इज ए सेट. इसमें क्या एलिमेंट्स आएगा? आई एम टेकिंग स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम जी थ्री से स्टूडेंट्स को ले रहा हूँ. लेकिन
यस
ये
सर।
कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? टी इज
गर्ल
ए
होनी
गर्ल.
चाहिए सर।
या आर यू बिलोंग टू दिस ए गर्ल?
ए
संदीप,
इज
आर यू
बिलोंग
बिलोंग?
टू G3 सर।
नो, आर यू बिलोंग टू? संदीप बिलोंग्स टू ए गर्ल, ये ठीक है नहीं? संदीप, संदीप, राइट,
यस सर।
बिलोंग्स टू, ए गर्ल, ये ठीक है नहीं? गलत है.
गर्ल गलत है सर।
ये आप कहाँ बिलोंग करते हो?
सर ए
इस,
बॉय, संदीप
ये
बिलोंग टू ए बॉय।
राइट, करेक्ट. आप ये बॉय में रखते, राइट. ओके.
यस सर।
सो गुड. So there are two sets. This is not correct and this is correct. This is true, right? There are two sets are there. Okay. मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ, ये गर्ल में कौन होगा?
सर G3 की जो सभी लड़कियां हैं वही बिलोंग करेंगी
वो
सर।
उसमें, यहाँ राइट, ये बॉय पे सभी बॉयज है, राइट. हाँ.
यस सर।
आपको और एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ संदीप, आप अच्छे से
यस
बता
सर।
रहे हैं. व्हाट इज दिस? ये बॉय यूनियन ये गर्ल,
यस सर।
ये क्या है? एस आर नहीं, ये क्या है? ए बॉय यूनियन ए गर्ल.
सर ये सेट है G3 का।
जी3 का सेट पूरा जी3 है या कोई और कुछ बचेगा?
नहीं सर G3 है पूरा।
पूरा जी3, करेक्ट, एग्जैक्टली. आपको कैसे पता है? कैसे प्रूव करना है?
सर एक्स, माना सर जो एक्स है वो बिलोंग कर रहा है ए बॉय से।
हाँ, देन इस G3 पे
एंड
हो। हाँ,
और
yeah, we need
एक्स
to prove
बिलोंग
both the
करेगा
sides.
ए।
Right. You need to prove both the sides. A boy union A girl. Okay. So subset of G3 and G3 is subset of this part. Right. दोनों prove करना है. Okay. All of you think. Okay. It is, you are feeling that it is correct, but we need to prove it. Okay. दोनों प्रूव करना है. कैसे प्रूव करना है? ओके. Okay, how you prove this? Okay, X belongs to A boy union A girl. That means X is in belong to A boy or X belong to A girl. If X is in A boy, that means set of boys in G3, that is subset of G3. By definition, A boy and A girl, okay, A boy and A girl, these are subsets of G3, right? Because they are taking elements from G3, right? So like that सोचना पड़ेगा आप लोग. Okay, yeah, good, nice. What is the intersection, Sandeep? इंटरसेक्शन क्या है? ए बॉय इंटरसेक्शन ए गर्ल.
सर
संदीप.
इंटरसेक्शन इसमें से कुछ नहीं होगा सर, क्योंकि गर्ल अलग है और बॉय अलग है सर।
हाँ, अलग करेक्ट है, ठीक है, अच्छे से आप अच्छे से बोल रहे हैं, इसकी वजह से आपसे कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ.
यस सर।
कोई नहीं है मतलब क्या लिखना है यहाँ? ए बॉय इंटरसेक्शन ए गर्ल इक्वल टू क्या लिखना है?
नॉट इक्वल टू G3 सर।
नॉट इक्वल टू G3, ठीक है, वो तो यू टोल्ड मच बेटर. इसमें कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है, राइट? इंटरसेक्शन पे, राइट? उसको
यस
कैसे
सर।
दिखाते? व्हाट इज दैट सेट कॉल्ड? ओके, या इशिका, इशिका जिंदाल, रूम नंबर 8.
सर एक एम्प्टी सेट होएगा.
Empty set, correct. Okay. Yeah, we'll in this course we will call this as set as an empty set. Okay. And these two sets are called disjoint sets. When you say that two sets are disjoint, okay, their intersection is empty. Okay, disjoint sets. Okay. Now look at here. What is that I done? All of you listen carefully. I am clearing all of you. This is very crucial. So I have one set I. This set is called indexing set. Okay, the set is called indexing set. Now I created two sets by using elements of I, a boy and a girl. Okay, a boy and a girl, right? Yeah, I created two sets. Okay, so here elements are also sets. I'm calling it as F. F is family of sets. Family of sets. Okay, family of sets indexed by I. Indexed by I. Okay, yeah. A boy is a set. It is set of boys in G3. A girl is also a set of boys, set of girls in G3. Okay, so F contains two sets. Both are again sets. Okay, their union equal to whole of G3 and intersection is empty. Okay, intersection empty की जरूरत नहीं है in general. Okay, these are all subsets of a single set G3. Okay, okay, for each set, I am collecting like that. Okay, so generally, what is the family of indexing family? So I is actually non-empty set. You take a non-empty set, and I'll define F is equal to some sets, right? AX such that X belongs to I. Okay, this is called family of sets indexed by I. Okay, I am writing one more time. Family of sets indexed by I. Okay, so हर एलिमेंट, ईच एलिमेंट से आई में ईच एलिमेंट से एक सेट बना रहा हूँ. ओके, ओके, फर्स्ट एग्जांपल है. थोड़ा क्लियर होगा नहीं क्लियर होगा, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, हम और डिस्कस करेंगे, राइट? विल डिस्कस मोर. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम टेकिंग माय आई इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this is my indexing set. So can some of you can tick yes if you are able to do. For each element, I want to construct a set that is subset of G3. Okay, एक एक एलिमेंट लेता हूं आई से, वो यूज करके G3 का एक सेट बनाना है. ओके, G3 का सबसेट बनाना बनाना मतलब उसमें स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ G3 होना है विथ सम कंडीशन, राइट? या ओके, सुधांशु, रूम नंबर 8।
यस सर।
आपका सोच, हाँ, आप क्या सोच रहे हैं बताओ।
सर जैसे हम लोग इंडेक्स सेटर, सो वी कैन जस्ट चूज लाइक A1, A2 एंड A3।
ओके राइट, करेक्ट, दैट ओनली A1, A2, लाइक दैट A9 चाहिए मुझको। A1 में कौन होगा? ओके, so I am telling it is X belong to G3, right? With some condition.
ओके,
Now it is subset of which set? A1 is subset of which set?
A1 is subset of G3,
Right, correct. A1 is subset of G3, right? And A2 is subset of also
A2
G3.
is also the subset of
I
G3।
had to define X belong to G3 such that, so some condition, right? So आप बता सकते हो 1 2 3 4 9 मेरा माइंड पे क्या है? मैं आपको नहीं बताया था, फिर भी आप बता सकते हो।
Well, we can just how we got our breakout rooms, we can just choose
Wonderful,
like that.
wonderful. So what is the tie condition I write here? What is the condition I
So
write?
we applied that n divide, sorry, mod of the
No, no,
whatever the
that
roll
is
number of
okay.
the
No, no, no,
student.
no, 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 not that
Sorry.
much. Okay. X belong
Okay.
to A. So I am calling it is R1, right? Now instead of A1, okay, I am calling R1, R2, right? So
Okay.
when X belong to R1, is first is a student from G3 and X is from breakout room 1. Are you okay? That is
One.
what you told,
Yes,
correct?
sir.
Forget about modulo
Yes,
and
sir.
all. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Is it? Yeah, good, nice. Okay. X is from R2, breakout room R2. Yeah, good, nice. Okay, आपको समझ में आ रहा है? So for each natural number 1 to 9, I created a set. एक नंबर लिया I से एक सेट बनाया था, right? That is subset of G3, right? ऐसा कितनी सेट्स बनाया? 9 सेट्स बनाया, right? Yeah. Is it all of you clear with? Can you? Now I'm clearing it. All of you, tick yes. Yeah, now tick yes. Be quick. Is the set clear? Any doubts you can ask. Anamika, please ask. Anamika. Okay. You have a doubt, na, Anamika? You can ask, na?
So please can you explain it again?
Your voice is very low, Anamika.
Sir, can you explain it again?
So anyhow, I cannot repeat now, right? Most of them are clear. You can discuss with your friends in the breakout room. But what I am telling is that हर नंबर से 1 से एक सेट बनाया था, that is subset of G3. ये सेट कैसे बनाया था? What is the set contain? Set of all students in this from G3. But what is those students? They have to satisfy some condition. What is the condition? They are from breakout room 1. इसमें repeat करने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay. Yeah, I think everyone is clear. But now I will ask one of you. So I can ask Nikhil from room number 7. What is their union, Nikhil? What is R1 union, R2 union R9? Nikhil,
Yes, sir.
what is R1 union R9 total union क्या है? R1 में क्या कौन होगा? R1 में कौन होगा?
R1 में सारे ब्रेकआउट रूम उनके होंगे सारे
नहीं,
स्टूडेंट।
R1 में कौन होगा? स्टूडेंट्स होगा, बेंचेस होगा, चेयर्स होगा, एनिमल्स होगा, क्या है उसमें? R1 में क्या है? एलिमेंट्स क्या है?
R1 में स्टूडेंट्स होंगे।
स्टूडेंट्स है, किसका कौन स्टूडेंट्स है? आप R1 में है निखिल?
नहीं, मैं
नहीं है ना?
R7 में।
ये आप R7 में है, राइट? सो R1 में
सर,
कौन है? स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ ब्रेकआउट रूम 1, राइट? ओके, व्हाट इज देयर यूनियन? मैं ये भूल रहा हूँ, पूछ रहा हूँ, यूनियन क्या है? क्यों इतना समय ले रहे हैं?
G3 के स्टूडेंट्स।
ऑल G3 के स्टूडेंट, इसमें क्या है? ऑल G3 का स्टूडेंट्स हैं। यू गिव मी 2 नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 9. 2 नंबर्स बताओ, सिर्फ 2 नंबर्स बताओ बस.
5 and 7।
5 and 7, R5 and R7, राइट? इंटरसेक्शन क्या है?
इन दोनों का 5।
5 नहीं, you call empty set. Okay, read it as empty set. Do not call 5. Okay, MTTS में, so we do not read as 5. We call it as empty set. Okay, yeah, just joking. If you again call 5, then you will not get the certificate. Okay, okay, good. Okay, no problem. Somebody, now I am clearing all of you. If I not equal to j and I comma j belongs to I comma, I am clearing all of you, and so I comma j belongs to 1 to 9. Okay, 1 to 9. What you can say about Ri intersection Rj? Is anyone ready to speak? Ri, I is from 1 to 9, j is from 1 to 9, and I is not equal to j. वो भी दिया है आपको. What is Ri intersection Rj? बहुत आसानी क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ.
सर आई थिंक
No, no, no,
एम्प्टी
do not
सेट
tell,
होगा सर.
do not tell, do not tell. I'm not asked you, right? Already 6 days खत्म हो गया, 7th day है. So so those who are willing to speak, then tick yes. But it is very low, I'm very. आज क्या हो रहा है आप लोगों को? संडे इसकी वजह से. So R1 intersection R2, R3 intersection R5, किसी भी 2 एलिमेंट्स लिया है, इनका इंटरसेक्शन क्या होगा? सिर्फ वही पूछ रहा हूँ. So those who are not ticking, I will ask. Shivali Thakur, room number 4, you not ticked. Tell me the answer. What is Ri intersection Rj?
So empty set.
Empty set, right? Then why you are not ticked? You know answer, right? Kaushal? Kaushali, huh? Okay. Okay, so if any two they are disjoint, this is called mutually disjoint family. Mutually disjoint family of sets. Okay, mutually disjoint meaning if you take any two of them, they are disjoint. Okay, any two. Okay, then they are called mutually disjoint. Okay, yeah, R1 intersection R2 empty, R1 intersection R3 empty. Any two ले लेते तो उनका disjoint होते तो then they are called mutually disjoint family of sets. Okay, now I am giving another example. Still you are not clear. Okay, so take different examples. I will give one more, but I will not explain much better. Okay, I'm taking again my I is equal to G3 now. I is equal to G3, right? I is equal to G3. Now for each student, X belong to G3, meaning X is a student, right? I'm creating MX. MX is set of movies, okay? Set of movies watched by X in 2025. ओके अभी तक कितना मूवीज वॉच किया? सेट ऑफ मूवीज. ओके, सो क्या करना है? माय इंडेक्सिंग सेट इज G3, राइट? सो आई एम कंस्ट्रक्टिंग द सेट्स, राइट? MX such that X belong to G3. Okay, this is called family of sets. Okay, yeah. Okay, I will talk to one person, right? So Pujita, Pujita nahi, Kaushal Sharma, room number 4, Kaushal Sharma, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kaushal Sharma. So I am calling MKS, okay? Kaushal Sharma, okay? Now can you tell me what are the movies you watched in 2025, right? That is the set, right? Can you give me one element? Is it empty or non-empty?
Non-empty.
एक मूवी बताओ. आपने कुछ मूवीज वॉच किया 2025 पे?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the name, please. Be fast.
Pushpa.
Pushpa 1 or Pushpa 2?
2.
Yeah, okay. Pushpa 2, okay. Yeah, okay. So any other movie?
Conjuring.
Sorry, can you repeat? No, tell me,
Animal.
don't worry. Animal, okay.
Animal.
Animal, okay. So animal भी watch किया, okay, like that, right? Animal इसी साल में watch किया, ये last year पे, और एक बार
मैंने
watch,
इस साल देखा.
2 बार watch किया, last year and this year. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I do not know if it is released in this year or not. Okay. But are you clear about what is MKS? You tell me what is the set contains MKS, Kushal?
The number of movies you watched in
Number of movies, no, it is not number. MKS is not a number, it is a set.
set of, yes, sir.
It is a, what is that? MKS is a set. What is this set contains?
Movies watched in 2025.
By?
2025.
That is okay, but KS is there here.
By me.
So you need to tell everything, okay?
Yes.
MKS
Yes, sir.
is a set. What is that set? That set is set of movies watched by KS in 2025. सब कुछ है इसमें, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is their union? What is MX union? X belongs to G3. ये क्या है? Anyone? Can you tick if somebody want to answer this? What is this? X belong to G3 such that MX. Be quick. Pujita, room number 4.
Yes, sir. So union is set of all movies watched by all the students in G3.
Very good. Yeah. Is it all of you clear? Okay. Set of all movies watched by, okay. Watched by
All the students of G3.
all the students नहीं थोड़ा सा there is a mistake थोड़ा सा कि you आपका सोच correct है लेकिन speaking में थोड़ा गलत हो गया set of all movies yeah watched by yeah
By the
अभी
students of G3.
no set of all movies watched by okay think about it. I will not complete it okay I'm leaving it now okay to everyone okay what is this set not Pujita I will ask Shivam Kumar what is intersection of MX
सर एम्प्टी सेट
एम्प्टी सेट क्यों आपने एनिमल नहीं देखा है क्या
नहीं सर जो इंटरसेक्शन होगा जो सर कॉमन मूवीज जो हर किसी बच्चे ने देखी है
so but we don't know na how do you know that there is at least one person not watched animal
सर उसके लिए हमें सबके एमएक्स
पूछना
डिफाइन
पड़ेगा
करना
ना
पड़ेगा
but that is okay you should not say empty set okay you do not know that right so इसकी वजह से आप क्या बताना है what is that you have to tell
नॉन एम्प्टी सेट
no that is not you need to tell you need to set what exactly this
set of all common movies watched by the students
set of movies watched by all the students right
by all the students
by all the students so आपको अभी पूछी तो आपको समझ में आ रहा है आपने यही बताया था हाँ पर भी थोड़ा सा right
Yes, sir.
Pujita
Yes, sir. Yes, got it.
yeah okay so think about this okay this is easy I think you can easily guess and do right okay so but be careful while proving things okay for example in this problem right so in this problem we told that r1 union r2 be careful union r9 is equal to g3 okay nikhil ne bataya na students all the students of all the rooms union करते तो g3 आएगा लेकिन प्रूव करना है दोनों तरफ मतलब if I take x belong to g3 then what happens okay first of all x belong to union that is easy okay x belong to r1 union r2 union and so on union r9 इसका मतलब क्या है right that you need to understand okay that I'm going to ask now what is the meaning of that it is in one of the sets I will come very rigorously now right okay and right then it is in one of them that is actually subset of G3 so x is in G3 we are done okay I took x here and it is in one of them that is subset of G3 so x belong to G3 that side is easy to prove now x belong to G3 I want to prove this side if x belong to G3 we know that we divided all the students into different rooms there is a room there x belong to G3 okay yeah so I will explain you this more clearly now okay all these things For that, now I'm defining something here. Okay. Yeah. Be ready. So I'm taking my I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. Okay. And my sets are R1, R2, and so on, R9. Okay. What do you mean by X belongs to R1 union R2 union R9? Okay. So this can be also written as union I is equal to 1 to 9 R9. This is one way to write. It is also written as belongs to union, sorry, मैंने गलत किया. So Ri. Okay, it is also written as Ri, but I belongs to I. But what is this I? Here I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Okay. Are you clear about what I am writing here till now in white color? Can you tick yes? Be quick. This is simple. 1, 2, 3, 9. R1, R2, R9. Right. And X belong to R1 union R2 union R9 can be written as union I is equal to 1 to 9 Ri. Also simply union Ri. I belong to I. I is 1 to 9. Okay, you are clear. Good, nice. I'm clearing all of you. Okay, now one of you now tell me. I'm clearing now all of you. Goyam, can you clear please?
Yes.
Goyam, can you clear please? Yeah. Now one of you can tell me what do you mean by X belong? What do you mean by X belong to this set? Anyone ready? X belong to R1 union R2 union R9. What is the meaning of that? Okay, Sonali Kumari. I'm asking room for today, students first today.
Yes, sir.
Means X belongs to all rooms, means R1, R2, R3, R9.
X सारी की सारी में होता है यूनियन मतलब वो ही गया.
हाँ.
मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ आपने क्या बोल रहे हैं. आप बोल रहे हैं X बिलोंग टू R1 यूनियन R2 यूनियन R9 मतलब X इज इन R1 X इज इन R2 वही है. वही बोल रहे हैं आप.
नहीं, किसी में भी नहीं भी हो सकता है, मीन्स यूनियन इफ
नो
वी
नो
टेक
नो नो यू टेल मी क्लियरली नाउ. आपको और एक बार पूछ रहा हूँ. व्हाट डू मीन बाय X व्हेन यू से दैट X इज इन द यूनियन? व्हेन इट विल बी? इफ? ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. Teja Suda, what do you mean by X belong to R1 union R2 union R9?
Sir,
Yeah,
X
Teja.
belongs to at least one of the RIs.
Okay, so इसका मतलब है this implies it belongs to one of them, right? X belong English में आप बोल रहे हैं, मैं वही रहा हूँ. X
Sir,
belongs
at least
to
one.
okay, that is okay.
Hmm.
So okay, X belongs to at least. Okay, that also I'll write. X belong to at least to one of them. One of R1, R2, R9. लेकिन ये कैसे मैथमेटिक्स में ये इसको कैसे हाउ डू यू राइट? तेजस, इसको कैसे लिखते हैं? X belongs to union Ri, right? R1, okay, I'll write R1 union R2 union Rn, right? Yeah. आपने इंग्लिश में बताया था, वो मैथमेटिक्स में कैसे लिखते हैं? Implies?
Sir, there exists I between 1 to N.
1 to
N.
N9 here, okay.
9, sorry. Yeah.
Such that
X belongs to RI.
Ri, wonderful. Is it all of you clear? Now I'm clearing all of you. This is very crucial what Tejas told. Very, very important. Very, very crucial, important crux today. X belong to R1 union R2 union R9 matlab there exists an I from 1 to 9 such that X belong to Ri. Union में मतलब it should be in at least one of them. वो कैसे लिखते हैं? ऐसा लिखते हैं. Right? Are you clear about why you are late? Be quick. Question is there. Gurmeet, you have a question, Gurmeet?
So actually you student here that belongs to any one of like R1, R2 up to R9. I
Yeah.
think you will be because that implies that it actually belongs to R1, but that also that it actually belongs to another group also.
No, that's okay. See, there exist matlab wahi hai na. So we remember I gave one question, right? So there is a student in this room in G3 who is a human being. Is it true statement?
Yes,
There is a student in G3 who is a human being. Is it a true statement?
yes, sir.
Why it is true statement?
So because there exists the
Why
thing
there
that
exist?
is
Guru, what about you? Are you a human being?
Yes.
Yeah, you are a human being. That's it. Case खत्म. खेल खत्म. ओके, ये प्रूव करने के लिए कम से कम एक को दिखाना है ये ह्यूमन बीइंग है. बाकी लोग ओके, आपको नहीं पता है ना. रूम नंबर 9 में एक देर इज अ पर्सन हु इज एक्चुअली नॉट देयर. ही इज अ मिशन. You know, sometimes when you go to website, they will ask you to tick, are you human being or not? You know that?
Yes, sir.
So you don't know. Really, all of them are human beings here, right? Actually, human beings, don't worry. We checked properly, right? Yeah. Is it okay? So to show this one, at least one person is there who is a human being. You are there, so the statement is true, right? ऐसा x is in the union मतलब कम से कम एक में होना है. दो में तीन में हो गया कोई दिक्कत नहीं होते हो. It may be there in all of them also, no problem, right? But ये true होने के लिए कम से कम एक में होना है, right? That's to understand that I am now asking a question to all of you, right? Are you clear now?
Then what will be the intersection of this?
That will come. I'll now coming to that only. But before that, do not tick yes. So no one tick. Now I am asking question to you. Now I'm saying that X does not belongs to R1 union, R2 union R9. Okay. Yeah. So what she is asking is very pertinent. Okay. Very good. So that like that we need to ask. It is not easy. She is bold enough to ask questions. I appreciate her, Gurmeet ko, right? Yeah, many of you not clear, but you are not asking. Okay. Yeah, but she asked. What is the meaning that X does not belong to union? When X will be in the union, when X does not be in the union. Now can you tick yes now? Be quick. X is not in the union मतलब क्या है? So I said that X is not in the union. What is the meaning? Okay. So someone from room number 1, mentor, can you call?
Om Raj.
Om Raj.
Sir, X will not be the element of any breakout room.
X is not in R1. X does not belong to R1. X does not belong to R2. Right, like that, right? That is what you are saying. Hello, that is what you are saying. Hello, Om. Yeah, sorry. Aditya, room number 1. Okay, because Om is not speaking. That is
Yes.
what you are his roommate. That's why I'm asking. Is it what Om saying? You know better him than me. Is because he's
Yes.
roommate. This is
Yes,
what
sir.
Om saying. X does not belong to R1. X does not belong to R2.
Yes, sir.
This is what he is saying. Okay, you know his intentions. Okay, this is what he is saying. But how do you write by using quantifiers, Aditya?
So, given any
Given any I belong to
I belongs to 1 to 9, X does not belong to Ri.
Very good. You told correctly. Yeah, good.
Yes.
See, look at this. This is the negation, right? So there exists I such that xi belong to that, right? Previous में आप ये देख ले दोनों, right? It is
Yes,
थोड़ा
sir.
नीचे है. There exists an I such that xi one can find x belong to union means I can find a room where this x belong to. X in the union matlab, I can find a room where X belong to. If X is not in the any of the rooms matlab, whatever the room you give me, X does not belong to that. Given any room, X not in that room. Okay. Please discuss this simple examples. Lekin fir bhi, you are thinking that you understood there exist for all. No, I know that part. Okay. Still it is not over. हम अभी सेट्स में काम कर रहे हैं, एग्जिस्ट फॉर ऑल हो गया. नो, स्टिल वी आर ऑलवेज कंटिन्यूअसली वर्किंग इन दिस क्वांटिटी ओनली, राइट? Yeah, now I'm clearing all of you. Now can you tell me another what Gurmeet asked, right? What do you mean by X belong to R1 intersection, R2 intersection, and so on intersection R9? Okay, is anyone, can you tell me quickly? Is anyone ready to tell in quantifiers? What do you mean by R1 belongs to X belong to in the intersection? Don't worry about whether it is true or not. You understand now? Now you are clear. Actually, this is a wrong statement, right? Wrong meaning it is not possible. There is a student belong to all the rooms. That is not there. Only if you extend the set G3 to all people, then Omkar sir is there. Omkar sir will visit all the rooms, right? Okay. Room number 2, mentor, can you call one person?
Yes, Nandini.
Yeah, for all I belonging to 1 to 9, X belongs to Ri.
Very good. Okay, I hope all of you clear. X is the intersection means X is in R1, X is in R2, X is in R9. That means given any I from 1 to 9, X belong to Ri. Okay, so sometimes I will write I belong to I only, right? The sometimes set here it is easy 1 to 9. Sets can be real numbers also. Set can be irrational numbers also, right? I'll explain you in a while. Okay, yeah. It is not always possible to write 1 to 9 like that. Okay, belong to I. I is the indexing set 1 to 9. Okay, some room number 3. Room number 3, get ready. Mentor be ready. So tell me that what do you mean by X does not belong to R1 intersection and so on R9. It is not in the intersection. Meaning what? Think about two sets only. X is not belong to A intersection. What does that means? You can answer easily. It is not in the intersection means when it will be not in the intersection, right? This is not easy. That's what Gurmeet asked. No? She is very much correct. Jasmine Kaur, room number 2.
Yes, sir.
No need to tell yes or no, sir. Time is important for us. Go ahead fast.
It implies for all I belongs to 1 to 9, X doesn't belongs to Ri.
No, you do not understand. You do not understand at all. Okay. So, ये देख लो. Given any I, X belong to Ri. What is the negation of that? So you are not reviewed things. Don't worry. No need to tell now. Okay. Now you do not. Okay. Think properly. That's okay. That is the thing you told. That is good. So generally I will not say this, but today I little angry because you people has to revise things. For all there exist important. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Room number 5, Anchal Sharma, can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
X does not belong to R1 union, R2 union, R9 मतलब क्या है?
There exists I belonging to I 1 to up to 9 such that X does not belong in Ri.
Right. At least one एक पे नहीं है तो intersection में नहीं है. Right? Yeah. Good. Okay. So now I'm okay. So Hifja, room number 6, Hifja.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So are you able to tell this thing for n in general n? A1 union, A2 union, and so on union AN. Okay. What is the and intersection? A1 intersection, A2 intersection. Okay. Intersection AN. Okay. What do you mean by X belongs to here? X does not belongs to here. X belongs to here. X does not belongs to here. Can you tell that? अभी A1 to N तक है N. What do you mean by X belong to A1 union A2 union AN? When X will be in the union.
So when it belongs to the universal set.
No. Okay, that is okay. I'm not asking the definition. Okay, अभी हमने prove किया R1. What do you mean by X belong to R1 union R9? Nikhil, I think Nikhil told that there exists an I from 1 to 9 says that X belong to Ri. Now 9 की वजह से मैंने N रख दिया. Any N, 100, 200, 1000, 1 crore. Right? Okay, all of you discuss. Okay, these things. Is it clear to all of you till now? Are there any questions? I'm clearing all of you. Is it okay? Now tick. Is it all of you clear? If not, I am confident I can discuss with my friends and clear. ऐसा confidence है आपके पास? Okay, Nidhi, you have some question. Please go ahead.
So one, I want to know the difference between mutually disjoint and simply disjoint.
Simply disjoint. Wonderful question. Wonderful question. Okay. So for example, I take, thank you, Nidhi. Thank you very much. So 1, 2, 3, I take, right? A, B is equal to 2, 3, 5, right? And C is equal to 5, 6, 7. Okay. Right? Yeah. What is A intersection B?
2, 3.
Correct. What is B intersection C?
5.
5. What is A intersection C?
Empty set.
Very good. So I thought that you will lose a certificate, but you are not used. Empty set, you told. Okay. But if I intersect all the three, okay, if you want, I can put here also. Here I put 1 also, right? So that it will be much more clear. You take any two of them, that is not required actually. You intersect all of them, that is empty set. Do you agree now?
Yes, sir.
A intersection B intersection C is empty, but if you take any two of them, they need not be empty sets, right?
Yes, sir.
But mutually disjoint, these are disjoint sets. A, B, C are disjoint sets, meaning their intersection is empty. But mutually disjoint means any two of them are disjoint. Any two you take, like R1, R2, R9, right? Yeah, good. Thank you very much. Actually, because of you, I actually forgot to tell that, and you helped me a lot. Yeah, okay, good. Okay. Now, two more examples I will give you, and then we'll move forward. Okay. So today I will try to leave you a little early. Okay. Let us see. So my indexing set is natural numbers. Okay. Now, okay, I'm taking my indexing set is a natural numbers. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm constructing sets from each natural number. So 1 belongs to n, right? I'm constructing my A1 is equal to singleton 1. Okay. So this is subset of which set? Okay. Think about A2, 1 comma 2. It is subset of which set? Think about. Okay. A3. Okay. Can you somebody guess what is in my mind? Can you guess your teacher? A1 is 1, A2 is 1, 2. Can you guess somebody? What is in my mind?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, do not tell answer. Okay. Yeah, correct. Okay, yeah. See, all of them are known, know this. Okay, yeah. Okay, right. So like that I'm constructing. Okay, you tell me now, since you told, I will ask you, what is A100? You tell me this. Whoever told just now. What is A100?
1, 2 till 100.
Okay. I thought it is a punishment to you, but you succeeded. Okay. So A100 is 1 to 100, right? You understand. So for each natural number, I constructed a subset, right? So is it everyone clear? These are subsets of which sets? Are you clear? Tick yes if you know. These are subsets of which set? Yeah. So room number 5 Vidwan Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Subsets A1 is subset of which set?
The set of natural number.
Yeah. What about A2?
Set of
Natural.
natural number.
Right, good. Okay, all of them are subsets of natural numbers. It need not be in general. Okay, set can be one and the subsets can be other. Like you see boy and girl, I took a set. A boy is subset of G3, right? Here both are same. Indexing set is also same and the sets, subsets I'm constructing, they are also same, right? So I'm constructed a family of sets here, okay? Family of sets, okay? So how I can write this family of sets? Somebody can help me. Can you take yes now? How do I write this family of sets? Here, how do I write? Is anyone? Okay. पहले पहले बोला था समय हुआ कुछ समय गुरनाग room number 6 sorry
Sir,
Gaurang sorry Gaurang yeah
so power set of n belongs to power set of
no, that is okay but here family of sets so okay what are the this here contain a1 a2 like that right so how can I write this you are correct these are subsets of n so they are power set of n you are thinking much ahead and better you said correctly I'm not saying no okay but you are not read my mind so I am saying in the very first page यहाँ लिखा था right very first so I'm these are called family of sets so you see that ax as that x belongs to I right मैंने यही पूछा था यही पूछ रहा हूँ right yeah but what you said is correct you are thinking in a right way these are subsets of natural numbers so these are belongs to a1 a2 they are belong to power set of n okay yeah so you are saying that a belong to power set of n like that but I do not want that yeah okay what is that you want to write here ai such that I belongs to you tell me that
natural numbers.
Wonderful so what is this n this is the indexing set now okay for each natural number I constructed a set okay now all of you can think what is their union okay I is equal to 1 to infinity right so I can write this as I belongs to I ai is anyone want to comment on this can you take yes what is intersection okay Sujit Kumar from room number 7
So union is set of natural number and intersection is one.
intersection is 1 okay but we need to prove that
Yes.
do not accept as it is okay you are saying correct maybe you are correct or not we'll check so which one is easy
Intersection, Satya.
Yes please
Check the intersection you have written.
okay what I written yeah correct he told correctly I wrote wrongly yes okay yeah so all of you can see this okay what is this so this is very very crucial today this is one of the important step okay so Sujit told that it is equal to n but we need to prove it what is the meaning of that okay so I take x belong to union ai okay then I want to show that x belong to natural number okay that is number 1 okay number 2 star star okay I take x belongs to n okay now I want to show this implies that x belongs to union an very very important I request all of you concentrate this is very crucial x belong to union ai what is the meaning okay what is the definition you remember I asked Hifja right so x belong to a1 union a2 union उसका मतलब क्या है okay x belong to r1 union r9 मतलब क्या है okay that you need to be these need to be used that's why here also I mentioned very very important step okay so what do you mean by x belong to a1 union a2 union and so on right okay it is in one of the sets so x can be in a1 x can be a2 like that okay I'll tell you one number 101 somebody can tell me where 101 belong to if x is 101 where it belongs to x is equal to 101 be quick it is easy Room number 9, no one is lifted. Yes, what happened? Manpreet Kaur. मनप्रीत 101 कहाँ बिलोंग करते हैं?
A101.
Right. Can you give me one more set?
A107.
A107. Okay. Good. Right, correct. Now, can you tell me where X belongs to? Do you know one set where X belongs to? I am not told what is X, right? If I tell 10101, you are telling where it will be. But I'm not telling where X belongs to. Do you know a set X explicitly? For example, if I say 27, okay, where 27 belongs to, Manpreet? Can you give me one?
A27.
Yeah, और कोई A27 में है 27 समझ गया और कोई सेट है 27 बिलोंग करेंगे
A28.
A29 पे है या नहीं
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you know that once it is in 27 it will be there in all of them, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you now, one of you now tell me, I'm clearing all of you, now tell me where X belongs to. I am not told what is X. Yeah, now can you somebody tell me where X belongs to? Be quick. I not told you what is X, but फिर भी आप बता सकते हो. Okay. Room number 8, Ishika Jindal.
I think, sir, X belongs to set of natural numbers.
That is known. I want in the set A1, A2, A3 किस में है X? A1 में है X, A2 में है और किस में है? That is the question. If I say 101, you know, but I'm telling X, where X will be. Okay, you are not clear. Okay, Yushika Gupta, room number 8 again.
Yes, sir. So X belongs to A of I, where I is greater than equal to X.
Wonderful. But I need just one. Can you give me one? Just AX itself, right? You told very beautifully, I greater than or equal to X.
Yeah.
You are much better, but at least one element AX may have. But what you know about AX? A is subset of N. So X belongs to N. Are you following, all of you clear? So I take an X. It is one of them. In particular, in this example, I know where X belong to also. That is AX. But AX is subset of N. So X belong to N. We are done. Now converse. If X belong to N, where it will be? Now this is very useful. Now you know where X belong to AX. Right? Both the sides it is useful. Right? ऐसा पूरा डिस्कस करना पड़ता है okay why it is in the intersection it is in intersection why it is both so you need to be discussed carefully do not accept as it is what do you mean by X is intersection it will be A1 it will be A2 it will be A3 like that okay so X is in all of them so then what is that number right so is it one will be in all of them first is one in A1 one in A2 so one side is easy okay this is subset of intersection is easy right but you need to prove other direction that is not easy okay unless and until you complete it then only it is done okay right okay another example
Satya, can
so
I
please,
make a comment?
yeah please go ahead
Yeah, so Nandini, room 2.
Yes, sir.
Can you give a natural number?
5.
Okay, is it in the intersection of AI?
AI intersect. No, sir.
Okay, very good. So this is the kind of questions all of you should ask yourself. But pick any natural number, ask yourself, is it in the union? Is it in the intersection? Even before you start proving things, pick some examples and check. By the way, I have not asked Nandini why her answer is correct, but that's what you have to ask yourself. She said 5 is not there. Ask yourself why not? What goes wrong? Okay, so this is what you should be doing in the discussion. Get a feel for the question before you start answering it. Otherwise, you will just mechanically be solving whatever Satya sir has done. So please ask yourself these questions, take some examples, take some natural numbers. What do you think? Is it there? Is it not there? Ask yourself these questions. If you think it is there, why is it there? If you think it's not there, why is it not there? But please ask yourself all these questions. Otherwise, all you will be able to do is mechanically follow what somebody else is doing. Yeah. Thanks, Satya.
yeah thank you very much yeah Okay, so all of you now, I am giving another example. I am again taking I is equal to natural numbers only, right? But my set now is that I am constructing some sets like this. B1 is equal to all natural numbers. Okay, so is subset of which set? Okay, B2 is equal to 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, B3. Somebody can guess what is my B3? Is anyone ready? Can you take guess? Can you think of what is I'm thinking? So someone from room number 6, Mentor, can you ask?
Gaurang? Achal?
It will be 3, 4, and so
Yeah,
on.
correct. Yeah. So now, Anchal, can you predict what are my next questions? Can you think of?
B4.
Yeah, okay, like that to BN, right? Yeah, like that.
BN.
Okay. What is BN?
It is n plus 1,
Mm-hmm.
and so on up to infinity.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Correct. Okay. Yeah. So can you give me one set where 100 does not belongs to?
B99.
B99 में 100 नहीं है क्या?
Oh, no. Actually, B101.
Okay. Good. Okay. So what are my other questions? Can you think? Can you predict? What I'm going to ask now? Usual simple, a union only, right?
Union and
Yeah.
then
So Bn plus
intersection.
100, n belongs to n, right? Yeah. What about the intersection? Right? Yeah. So please discuss these things also. What is this and what is this? Are they disjoint? Anchal, are they disjoint? Is B1,
No.
B2 are disjoint? No, right?
No.
No. Okay. Yeah. What about A1, A2? Earlier question, are they disjoint?
No.
Oh. So can you give me one more condition, Anchal, that what is the relation between A1 and A2?
A1 is a subset of A2.
A2 is subset of?
A3.
Right. Like that it is going, right? What about
Yeah.
B's now? Can you see B's? B's के बारे में?
It is B1 is a superset of
B2.
B2, which is a superset of B3 and
so on,
like
right?
this.
Yeah, good. Like that, ask several questions, okay? So that is what I learned from the MTTS, okay? एक क्वेश्चन लेते तो बहुत क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं. You sit for some time, you will understand lot of things, okay? You put pen and paper, ask several questions, right? You create your own questions, okay? Even I also don't know. You are much more sharper than me, right? You can ask many other questions also. What is the intersection of two sets only? What is intersection of all prime numbers का, right? ऐसा बहुत questions पूछ सकते, right? Okay. Okay, now I am going to give certain questions to you before you go into the breakout room, right? Okay. So please look at carefully. Room number 1 people, when you go to the breakout room, okay, after coming breakout room, you need to explain these to me, okay? So room 1 people, discuss before whatever discussed, but this is your goal. Don't look at our room 2 problem at this juncture, room 3 problem, right? ये क्वेश्चन एक आप एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन है, अभी तक डिस्कस हो गया. ये क्वेश्चन रूम 1 पीपल करना है, ये क्वेश्चन रूम 2 पीपल करना है, ऐसा मैंने लिखा था. मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ जल्दी जल्दी, राइट? So room number 1 people, I am taking indexing set is January, February, December, like that. These are months, right? So x belong to I matlab x is a month. I defined bx. So what is bx? T belong to G3. That means students of G3. The T born in the month of that x. For example, x is January. Then what is B January, right? So B February, right? So you need to describe bx. and describe total f. F is equal to union of all of them, right? Union of the, so this f is a set. What is the set contains? That is what you mean by describe. Okay, what is the maximum value of f? Means how many sets possible will be there. Okay, what is union of bx? Okay, x and y belong to y, x not equal to y. Can you find what is the intersection of bx by? Are you clear about? Is it all of you? Are you? I'm clearing all of you once. Okay, can you clear, Goyam? Yeah, so all of you, is it everyone clear with the problem? It is question for everyone, but discussion should be done by the room 1 people. Is the question clear what to do? Okay, yeah. Very good, nice. Okay, now room 2 people, the second question is that I take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, I defined a set AX is such that T belongs to G3, T attempted the SA1 X times. Okay, you hope you understand why I took up to 4 only, right? Okay, what is A3? Some room number 2, somebody can tell what is A3? Can you tick yes? What is A3? Room number 3. Sorry, room number 2. Yeah, somebody can call in person.
Jasmine. A3 is the set of students who attempted SA1 3 times.
Wonderful, good, nice. Okay, so yeah, so what is A0, A1, A2? So ये describe करना है, उसके बाद union करना है, उसके बाद intersection करना है, सब कुछ. Okay, yeah. Okay, question number 2. Is it clear to all of you? Can you take yes now? Is the question clear to all of you? Every room. Questions are clear. Okay, great. Okay, now room number 3 people. I is equal to natural numbers. For each x in n, I created a set SCX subset of Z such that union equal to Z. If x is not equal to y, intersection is empty. That means disjoint, mutually disjoint family. So yeah, so you need to construct like that. You need to natural for each natural number के लिए एक set construct करना है. That is a subset of Z. Okay, their union equal to Z होना चाहिए. C1, C2, C3, C4 like that. Union करते तो Z आना चाहिए integers. If you take any two of them, intersection empty होना चाहिए. Is the question clear to all of you? Tick yes. Is the question clear है? C1, C2, C3 ऐसा sets बनाना है. Each set is a subset of integers. कैसे बनाना है? Union होते तो Z होना चाहिए. If you take any two of them, intersection is empty. Is the question clear है? Good. Okay. So I'm clearing now. Very nice. Work quick. Room number 4 people. I is set of real numbers now. For each real number, I am constructing a set ER. Okay. How it is? X comma y such that x plus y, x is equal to R. Okay. What is E1? What is E2? ऐसा questions पूछने हैं आप. What is E2? It is all ordered pairs such that x equal to 2. What is that set? Geometrically, what is that? Can you draw that? Draw them. What is their union? What is their intersection? Okay, ये prove भी करना है. Is the question clear or doubts are there? E1 क्या है? All the ordered pairs is that x equal to 1. Okay, like that. Om Raj, are you clear about?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me what is E3? Om Raj, what is E3?
So E3.
Here I sets I defined as ER. R is a real number.
Yes, sir.
ER is defined as x comma y, all ordered pairs in R2 such that x equal to R. What is E3? Okay, you are not understood, but you ticked S. Okay, but work it out later. See, what is Okay, I think maybe signal problem. Okay. Okay, so E pi, what is E minus 3? Like that, ask questions and then complete it. Okay. Room number 5, set of all positive real numbers now. Union 0 also. My indexing set is positive real numbers and 0. For each positive real number and 0, I am constructing a set FR. How I am defining? X square plus y square equal to R. For example, if I take 3, 3 is positive real number. What is F3? F3 is all ordered pairs such that x square plus y square equal to 3. What is it geometrically? Draw that. Okay. Room number 5 people. Am I clear with you? Room number 5. Any doubt you can ask me. I can explain further. Because you need to go and discuss. Na? If you have a doubt, please ask me now. Okay. You have no doubts, it means. And room number 6 students. Natural numbers. An is equal to minus 1 by n comma 1 by n. Okay, what is a1? Minus 1 by 1 comma 1 by 1. What is a2? Like that पूछना है and draw it is. Ans are subsets of which set? What is that? Okay, what is their union, intersection? Okay, better draw that things every time. Okay, yeah. So question number 7 is that this is interesting. Divisors of x. Okay, for each natural number, I'm constructing dx, divisors of x. For example, I gave one example, d8. d8 means divisors of 8, but they are integers. Okay, indexing set is natural numbers only, d1, d2, d3 like that. d8 I am explained you, that is minus 8, minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 4, 8. Why? These are all divisors of 8. Okay, now what are the natural questions? What is their union? What is their intersection? These are all we need to ask. Intersection, unions. Okay, and you need to prove it also. You are claiming that it's equal to Z union, then you need to prove it is not Z. You need to give the reason, right? Room number 7 people. Okay, hope this question is clear. If not, tell me. Okay, if not, you are not clear, then I'll explain. Okay. Okay, room number 8, integers now. For each integer, you are constructing a subset of R, real numbers, such that union equal to R, they are mutually disjoint. Here I am not given the sets. You need to construct sets. Room number 8 people, tough question you got. You need to construct sets. For each integer, you have to construct a set. That is subset of R. Union equal to whole of R, but any two of them intersection is empty. Is the question clear? Room number 8 people? At least one or two can you tick, then I can go further. Only one? Okay, you understood. Question you understood. Okay. Room number 9 people. Okay. So for you, this is the question. So I asked this question earlier. X belong to A1 union A2 union EU. So you need to tell 4 conditions. What do you mean by X is in the union? Not in the union, in the intersection, not in the intersection. Okay. So this unit, after you come back, I will ask for sure. Okay. I'm stopping now. Okay. Yeah. After you come back, I will ask. Then we will go to the poll. Okay. I will stop now.